Here's interesting trend in app browse. So this is a new update. So of course the app is not about creating just lock screen widget, but this is a new update where you can create lock screen widget in the Brass app. But overall, you can also create custom icons. You can create your own home screen widget after iOS 14. You can use it to create hundreds of aesthetic themes and easily installation and all of that. But now this app also has lock screen widgets, so it's pretty interesting. So yeah, let's just open it up, and yeah, now you can install lock screen widgets which are available after iOS 16, and they are available after iPhone 8, so including iPhone 8 or later. So now you can continue free with ads, or you can of course upgrade. Then you have widgets. So if I want to use that, I can just tap to add widget saved from the home screen. You can touch and hold an empty area until apps jiggle, tap the add button, search for Brass and choose one of the widgets and tap. Yeah, so that's how you install home screen widgets. But you also want to install lock screen widgets. To do that, you need to lock your screen, because here I have iOS 15. You just lock your screen, and on the lock screen, tap and hold the same as you hold in here. So as you see, apps start jiggle, but just do that on the lock screen. In the bottom part, you will see customize button. So just tap on that button and search for Brass, and then find the desired lock screen widget and drag it to your lock screen. So that would be the process. Hope it is helpful.